How to create best wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Best Wallet application. To do so, first of all, you will need to download the Best Wallet application on your mobile device either through Google Play Store or any other app store. Or you may also go to the official website of Best Wallet, which is bestwallet.com. Here I have already downloaded Best Wallet application, so I'm opening the application now. Once after opening your Best Wallet application on your device, here on this home screen, you'll be able to see Get Started button. Tap on this Get Started button at the bottom, and in this page, here you'll be able to see Login or Sign Up. Tap on this email box and enter the email that you'd like to use to create an account on Best Wallet. Once after entering your email address, tap on the Continue button right here. You will be redirected to the registration screen now. Here, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this field. After entering it, it will start verification. You will need to wait for a moment, and then you will be redirected to secure your account. If you want to enable two-factor authentication by adding your phone number, you can tap on Set of 2FA button at the bottom. If not, you may also tap on Not Now and skip this option for now. After that, here you will need to create a passcode for your wallet account. Once after creating the passcode, you will need to confirm it again by retyping it. And after that, here you will be prompted to use your biometrics and fingerprint. You will also be prompted to allow notifications for Best Wallet. Tap on the Allow button, and soon after doing that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Best Wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on Best Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.